Hello, good morning, students. How are you? I am also fine, and hope for you to be the same. Today I am going to start a new chapter number 4, a question of trust. Before starting its explanation, I am going to give its short introduction. It is said that you must set a thief to catch a thief. You can open your book on book of footprints without feet. You can open on page number 20. It is said that you must set a thief to catch a thief. But it is also said that there is honor among thieves. Which saying does this story illustrate? There are two things. We will try to understand these two concepts. That if we have to arouse facts and truth from someone, we should use the person of the same category. For example, a thief has more knowledge about other thieves than ordinary persons. He can give more true information about the other persons who are like him. एक बात तो ये कही जाती है कि हमें अगर किसी के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए या नॉलेज चाहिए तो उसी के जैसे ही कैटेगरी के सेम पर्सन को हमको ढूंढना पड़ेगा और उससे हमें यूज करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज द फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट. एंड द सेकेंड कॉन्सेप्ट इज but in some place thief conceals the truth or true informations about other thieves and protect them along with their reputation. The question of trust revolves around the first concept, as we shall see in the story A Question of Trust. Second concept I am going to tell you. सेकंड कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है कि उसमें एक थीफ दूसरे थीव्स की बातों को या इंफॉर्मेशंस को छुपाता है और उनके मान सम्मान को भी प्रोटेक्ट करता है. दीज आर टू कॉन्सेप्ट्स. इन दिस स्टोरी अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ ट्रस्ट वी शैल रीड द स्टोरी related to the first concept. Now I am going to start. Question: what does Horace Danby like to collect? Second question: why does he steal every year? These two questions and their answers you will find in this part of the chapter of the story. Everyone thought that Horace Danby was a good, honest citizen. Horace Danby was a good, honest citizen. He was about 50 years old and unmarried. This is the introduction of Horace Danby. He is good, honest and fair citizen. He was about 50 years old and unmarried, and he lived with a housekeeper who worried over his health. In fact, he was usually very well and happy except for attacks of hay fever in summer. He is totally fit and he is healthy and wise, but once in a year he is attacked with the summer fever. Hay fever here means a kind of fever that is called summer fever. Often he is he is trapped with this fever. He made locks and was successful enough at his business to have 2 helpers. Yes, Horace Danby was a good and respectable person, but not completely honest. He was good and honest, but not completely. He was in some way he was dishonest also. 15 years ago, Horace had served his first and only sentence in a prison library. Only sentence. Sentence means punishment. 15 years ago, he was imprisoned. He was given sentence in a prison library. He loved rare, expensive books. His hobby was to read rare books. Rare means very difficult to obtain, very valuable and expensive books he loved. So he robbed a safe every year to fulfill his need of daily household things and to fulfill his hope of reading book, hobby of reading book. He robbed a safe every year. Safe is a place where precious ornaments and money and wealth is protected. Each year he planned carefully just what he would do. Stole enough to last for 12 months. Each year he robbed once and he stole enough money and things or ornaments to last for 12 months. It was sufficient for his 12 months, rest of the years, and secretly bought the books he loved through an agent, and secretly, without knowledge, बिना किसी को मालूम हुए, secretly he bought books from an agent. Books, which kind of books? Books which he loved. He bought books from an agent. Now, walking in the bright July sunshine, he felt sure that this year's robbery was going to be as successful as all others. Now he is making a new plan for robbery, as he has been making plans for robbery every year. This year also he is going to be succeeded. For 2 weeks he had been studying the house at Shotover Grange. Shotover Grange is a place where house is situated, where he wanted to rob, where he wanted to steal. Looking at its rooms, its electric wiring. Before stealing, a thief and a robber study the location, as we often read in the newspapers. Before stealing or before robbery, a thief or robber studies the location where he has to steal, जहाँ उसको चोरी करनी है या डाका डालना है, वहाँ उस प्लेस की वो स्टडी करता है पहले, उस लोकेशन की. ऐसा नहीं कि डायरेक्ट जहाँ देखा मौका या जगह वहाँ चला गया और पकड़ा गया. He studied its rooms, its electric wiring, its paths, and its garden. This afternoon, the two servants. Now the story starts. This afternoon, the two servants who remained in the Grange while the family was in London. All the family had gone to London, and servants were fond of watching movie, so they also went to movies. Horace saw them go. Horace saw them going, and he felt happy in spite of a little tickle of hay fever. However, he was suffering from hay fever, from summer fever. He was very happy. Why? Because it was a very suitable opportunity or occasion to break into the house. He came out from behind the garden wall. From behind the garden wall, he came out, his tools carefully packed in a bag on his back. Tools, which tools? The tools when he used to cut the locks and open the doors. लॉक्स और ओपन एंड डोर्स को ओपन करने के लिए जो टूल्स काम में लिए जाते थे, वो those tools were packed in a bag. There were about 15,000 pounds worth of jewels in the Grange safe. He knew that there was jewels worth 15,000 pounds. Worth means value. The jewels were of the value of 15,000 pounds. Where were they? They were in the safe. If he sold them one by one, he expected to get at least 5,000, enough to make him happy for another year. If he would sell those ornaments or those valuable or worthy things, if he would get 5,000, that would be sufficient for his happy life for another year. There were three very interesting books coming up for sale in the autumn. Autumn comes after summer and spring comes before autumn. Summer and spring. After summer and spring, autumn comes. And there were three interesting books published in the market. Three interesting books came in the market for sale during autumn. Now he would get the money he wanted to buy them. He had seen the housekeeper hang the key to the kitchen door on a hook outside. When the housekeeper or the servants of the house were going to watch the movies, they hang the key to the kitchen door on the hook outside, and the robber Horace Denby saw that very clearly. He put on a pair of gloves. Before giving the किसी वारदात को अंजाम देने से पहले they make the preparations, and in these lines you are also seeing that he is wearing a pair of gloves, took the key and opened the door. He was always careful not to leave any fingerprints. Fingerprints are also very dangerous thing. They can prove that robbery has been रॉबरी यानी कि डेकॉइटी या चोरी वहाँ पर हो चुकी है. थ्रू फिंगरप्रिंट्स एनीबडी कैन identify the particular person who has stole the things. So he wanted not to leave any fingerprints, signs of fingers there, so that he may escape from any charge. A small dog was lying in the kitchen. A small dog was also there. Its name was Sherry. It was lying there, but the dog was very innocent and full of friendly nature. The dog became friendly to Horace. All right, Sherry. Horace is also talking to the dog like he is very familiar and acquainted with him already. Horace भी उससे ऐसे बात करता है कि जैसे वो पहले से ही उससे क्या है, familiar हो. वो उसका सीधा नाम लेके बात करता है. All right, Sherry, Horace said as he passed. All you had to do to keep dogs quiet was to call them by their right names and show them love. If we show familiarity or love to the dogs, the dogs also will fall into your love. Okay, समझ रहे हैं ना आप लोग? अगर किसी भी डॉग को हम उसके मालिक जैसे ही प्रेम देते हैं, एक्सप्रेशंस उसके सामने वो शो करते हैं, तो वो डॉग्स भी हमसे फेमिलियर हो जाता है और वो उसका कुछ भी नहीं बिगाड़ता है. द सेफ वॉज इन द ड्राइंग रूम बिहाइंड अ रादर पुअर पेंटिंग. वेयर वॉज द सेफ? सेफ वॉज in the drawing room, where behind a painting, poor, raggy and shaggy painting. Horace wondered for a moment whether he should collect pictures instead of books. Horace surprised for a moment, वो देख के कि सेफ वहाँ पड़ा है, but they took up too much room in a small house. वो सोचता है कि पहले बुक समेट ली जाए, मतलब कंफ्यूज है. पिक्चर्स के जगह पे पहले बुक समेट ली जाए, लेकिन वो बहुत ज़्यादा जगह घेर रही हैं. इन अ स्मॉल हाउस बुक्स वर बेटर. एक छोटे घर में बुक्स रखने के लिए वो घर अच्छे होते हैं, बेहतर होते हैं. देयर वॉज अ ग्रेट बाउल ऑफ फ्लावर्स ऑन द टेबल and Horace felt his nose tickle with the effect of flowers smell. It is possible for him to sneeze. उस फूलों की खुशबू से उसको एकदम से नाक में वो खुशबू चढ़ जाती है और ऐसे छींक आ जाती है उसको. He gave a little sneeze, थोड़ी सी छींक आई उसको. And then put down his bag. He carefully arranged his tools for opening the door, the lock of the door of the safe. He had 4 hours before the servants returned. A movie takes 2.5 hours or 3 hours, and he had 4 hours. 4 hours are sufficient for his job. अपने काम के लिए 4 hours बहुत हैं. Because till 4 hours servants would not be there, or the servants would not return. The safe was not going to be hard to open, because safe was not It was not difficult task for him, for Horace, to open the safe, because he had experience of many years to open the locks. After all, he had lived with locks and safes all his life. जब हम किसी काम को करने में वेल वर्स्ड होते हैं, पारंगत होते हैं, तो क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि हम उस काम में कई सालों से वी हैड ऑलरेडी प्लंज्ड इनटू द प्रोफेशन. हम उस काम में प्रोफेशन की तरह डूब चुके हैं, इसलिए वो काम हमारे लिए इजी रहता है हमेशा वो करने के लिए. द बर्गलर अलार्म वॉज पुअरली बिल्ट. बर्गलर अलार्म, an alarm to ring when a burglar or thief tries to open the safe. This is called burglar alarm. It was also poorly built. It was weak. He went into the hall to cut its wire. उसने इसके वायर को काट दिया. He came back and sneezed loudly. Again he sneezed loudly. Through sneezed, the sound becomes loud. छींकने से आवाज तेज हो जाती है. As the smell of the flowers came to him again, due to flowers smell, he sneezed loudly. How foolish people are when they own valuable things, Horace thought. कैसे लोग फुलिश होते हैं जब वो अपने वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स को इस तरह से रखते हैं. उसने सोचा. अ मैगजीन आर्टिकल हैड डिस्क्राइब्ड दिस हाउस. इन अ मैगजीन आर्टिकल दैट हाउस वाज डिस्क्राइब्ड gave a full account, full information about that house, giving a plan of all the rooms and a picture of this room. In a magazine article, it was published the location of this room, this house, where is the safe, where is different rooms situated in this building. सब कुछ क्लियर था उस मैगजीन के अंदर, इसलिए उसको इस बात की जानकारी हुई कि यहाँ पर इस रूम में ये सेफ है. द राइटर हैड इवन मेंशन्ड दैट पेंटिंग hid a safe. Even the writer had mentioned that painting hid a safe. वो पेंटिंग को भी मेंशन करा उस राइटर ने उस मैगजीन आर्टिकल में, जहाँ पर जिसके पीछे वो सेफ था छुपा हुआ. But Horace found that the flowers were hindering him in his work. Flowers were becoming the obstacle in his work because he was sneezing over and over. He buried his face in his handkerchief. He covered his face in his handkerchief. Then he heard a voice say from the doorway. In this duration, he heard a voice from the doorway. New voice. What is it? A cold or hay fever? A familiar voice came from the doorway, and the voice was asking, what is it? It is a cold or hay fever. Before he could think, Horace said. Horace को सोचता उस आवाज के पीछे उसने प्रत्युत्तर दिया, या उसने he answered, he replied, hay fever, and found himself sneezing again. The voice went on. The voice coming over and over. You can cure it with a special treatment. You know, if you find out just what plant gives you the disease. आपको ये पता लगाना चाहिए कि फ्लावर्स ही हैं या some other plants which are giving you this disease. I think you would better see a doctor. You would better consult a doctor. if you are serious about your disease, you should consult your doctor about your work. I heard you from the top of the house just now. वो कहती है, वो साउंड कहती है, वो वॉइस कहती है कि just now I have heard about you, heard your sound of sneezing. इस तरह से ये this story is going on, and what happens, we will see further what is happening in this story, where is the turn, what are the important points. In the next video I would like to clear the important points. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. I am stopping here today, and wait for my next video. Students, take care of yourself. The condition of the pandemic disease is becoming worst day by day. Stay home, stay safe, use sanitizer, wear mask, and wash your hands at least 20 times a day. Thank you and have a nice day.